PNC is gaining this morning, up 3.7%. The rest are falling. Joining us for more is Herman Chan, banks analyst for Bloomberg Intelligence. Herman, what have you made of the regional bank results so far?
Yeah, mixed trends all around. You mentioned PNC up in today's trading session. Really strong results and good guidance for 2026. Really outpaced analyst expectations for lending and net interest income. On the other hand, regions disappointed a bit on their net interest income guide. So mixed trends all around.
What are we expecting still to come? We've had these, almost all the major banks. Mm-hmm. We're getting a lot of the regional banks. I know that my beloved Huntington Bank in the great state of Ohio is coming out next week, I think Thursday.
That's right.
So what are we expecting to come still?
Right. So we have a really good operating backdrop for the regional banks. We're seeing improving net interest income, some margin expansion, growing the balance sheet. We're seeing some acceleration in loan growth, and deposit trends look good, and credit's really stable. So despite some of the economic uncertainties and potential issues surrounding unemployment, the banks are talking about really stable consumer trends. So we'd expect that to continue.
When it comes to these regional banks, though, because it has been so mixed, does that kind of pretend to more M&A, considering the sector has already had a lot between the haves and have-nots?
That's right. We'd expect consolidation to continue. It's an ongoing theme for the industry. We've got over 4,000 banks in the United States. I'd argue we don't need that many. And there's a really good regulatory backdrop where the administration's approving bank deals at a much faster clip. That's really reduced the uncertainty with bank M&A, and the bank stocks have been holding in there. So there's a lot of positives.
I mean, holding in there even with all the credit card drama, I have to say, which was supposed to overshadow everything, but did it really?
I'm looking, by the way, I'm on NerdWallet right now.
Okay.
And I'm looking for the lowest possible APR. I'm seeing 16.9. I think that's the lowest I see here.
Right.
And Bilt's coming out with a 10% one.
You keep saying that, but I'm wondering what you're talking about. Bilt?
It's a credit card. It's a credit card that you can use to pay your rent and pay your mortgage. I don't mean to buzz market them,
yes,
and then you get points for them.
I get it. Okay. I was just wondering, but I'm talking about like a real credit card. The Sapphire card or the Platinum card. Like, these are not coming down to 10%, right?
They won't come down to 10%.
Will a Trump card be something like useful, or will it be a Bilt?
Well, we'll see.
Bill's about to write us some very angry messages.
I'm obviously,
It's good marketing for them, I'll tell you that. But we'll see how the Trump card eventually plays out. If we're talking about a 10% introductory
rate. It has to be that, right? Because he said if it's not, legally, if it's not 10% interest, by Tuesday, these credit card issuers will be in violation of the law. That's what the President of the United States said.
Violation of the law is a bit strong. So there needs to be some congressional actions to really make that into law, in our view. But 10%, right? Banks already are offering introductory APRs that are below that. So I don't think that's anything extraordinary. But if it's 10% in perpetuity, then that could be something that the banks really rally behind and potentially look at a bit more aggressively.
All right. It's a fantastic story, obviously, because it's important to investors, it's important to Wall Street and the banks, it's important to consumers. So anyone can connect to this story, and we'll continue to cover it. Herman Chan will continue to cover it for us from Bloomberg Intelligence.